Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I will show you how to open an account and use Phemex exchange in this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial you will learn how to sign up, transfer or buy crypto, stake, open and close spot margin orders, participate in events and many more options. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to not miss out on our latest videos. Also you can follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels to keep up with the latest news and updates. Now, let's get started. Phemex is a Singapore-based crypto exchange that specializes in spot and derivatives trading. Phemex allows individuals to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies through a user-friendly and secure crypto platform. It offers leverage trading up to 100 times your initial investment amount and accepts deposits from credit cards. Phemex provides way to earn interest and offers free, real-time trades for premium members. It has more than 5 million users and can operate 300,000 transactions per second with continuously increasing daily trading volume. You can contact the customer service through this chat button and change your language settings by clicking on this icon. Let's start with how to sign up. As in every other crypto exchange, you must pay transaction fees for your market orders, and if you sign up with the link you can find below this video, you will receive discounts from those transactions. All you need to do is to click on this link and sign up with your email account. Also make sure that this referral box is not empty, otherwise you won't receive any discounts. After signing up, our first task is to complete our KYC process. Each centralized exchange must verify its users to prevent money laundering and other criminal activities. To do that, we need to click on this profile icon and then select identity verification. You have to provide a selfie, your ID number, your name, and your country in this ID verification process. Verification processes usually take about 10 to 30 minutes. After being done with it, you can start investing in crypto market. The first step will be transferring or buying crypto assets. On top of the left side there is a buy crypto button. You can purchase crypto assets through P2P, credit card or banking transfers. The fastest way is to buy it with your credit card. Click on this button, select the fiat currency you want to spend, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, choose the channel and then click on this buy button. Now that you have purchased your first crypto asset, you can look at your asset's current value, check your recent transactions and track every wallet such as your spot, contract and investment accounts from the assets button. Spot accounts are specific for spot market orders and your cryptocurrencies are in your spot wallets. You can use this transfer button to transfer crypto assets within your wallets such as your contract trade accounts. After selecting the coin and the amount, you can click on this confirm button to transfer your assets. We also have withdrawal and deposit options. To withdraw crypto from Phemex to another wallet, we must select which crypto we want to send and which network we would like to use for this transfer. We must add the wallet address in this box, type the amount and then click on this withdraw button. And always double check before you complete the transaction, because if you type the wrong address, you won't be able to recover your assets. If you are unfamiliar with the wallet process, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials. Let's say you want to deposit crypto to your Phemex account or want someone else to send it. Then you must click on this deposit button, select which cryptocurrency you want and which network you prefer. You can copy this address or scan this QR code for the payments. Now that we have completed our KYC and deposited our first cryptocurrency, our next step is to protect our account. Why? Since the crypto is in digital form, it makes it easy for hackers to steal your assets. After all it takes is one tiny mistake and that's it. All your hard work savings are gone within a minute. And the worst thing is that you cannot do anything about it. As setting a password only is not enough, you must have the two-step authentication set for your account to prevent that. In this way, whenever you or someone else tries to enter your account or transfer assets to another wallet, you or the hacker has to complete a set of security codes. You will receive these codes on your mobile phones as a message and your email accounts. Last but not least, it is always best to download an authenticator and link it with your profile to prevent any risk. And to do that, you need to go back to this profile icon and then click on this security button. Now let's explore the market option. Phemex supports trading for more than 200 cryptocurrencies and you can access, observe and trade every single one of those currencies through the market Trade button. You can track the newly listed coins, top gainers, and the current total volume in the market. Also, you can change your filters to see the different categories such as DeFi, NFT, and Metaverse. Here we have the favorite, spot, contract, and newly listing options. Let's check the spot market. You can type the coin name in the search box and then click on this trade button. And you can add your favorite cryptocurrencies to track them easily by clicking on this star icon. Also, you can see the latest price, daily turnover, volume, and percentage change. Now let's continue our training with spot trading. A spot trade is when a trader buys or sells a financial asset, in this case crypto, within specific time frames. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to futures trading. Here we have the parity option. You can select which parity you want to use, then type the token name in the search box. For example, I prefer to trade in USDT parity, but you can change it to USDC. Currently we are on the USDT Bitcoin parity, and what you see on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it, there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from 1 minute to 1 year. You can use these technical tools to do your price analysis. Based on their predictions, traders use this graphic to track if the asset price will fall or increase. Also, you can look at the current market depth as the total number of buyers and sellers. You will see the price point for each buy and sell order that matters in the current market. And based on this data, you can predict if the market price will go up or down. You can watch our technical analysis tutorial to learn how to use it. We have the limit, market, and conditional order buttons here. You must use the limit order button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price on this box and set the amount from here. After setting up, you can click on this buy or sell buttons. In this way, you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market button, since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, which that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone now. The system will sell or buy assets based on their current market prices. Conditional, which is stop limit orders, are must-use options. As I said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. For example, let's say I bought Bitcoin from 19,000 and expect it to increase to 20,000. But what if it doesn't? And what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 18,800 and place a trigger for it at 18,900. If the price falls to 18,900, my sell order will open at 18,800. Here we have the order book to track the current buy and sell positions. Under it, we have the market trades, and here we can track the completed orders such as what, as of, buy or sell, when, and how much. At the bottom, you will see the order history dashboard. Here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. Now let's continue with the derivatives and the USD contracts. Futures trading refers to speculating on the price of cryptocurrencies without owning them. Like commodity or stock futures, cryptocurrency futures enables traders to bet on a digital currency's futures price, and futures contracts of any underlying assets are derivatives of that asset. These contracts are bought and sold between two commodities investors, and they speculate about the asset's price at a specific date in the future. If you check the Bitcoin spot market price and Bitcoin futures price, you will see the price difference and the volatility. You can open positions with a maximum of 100x leverage in Phemex. But would you like to lose $1,000 in 2 seconds? Then this is the perfect way of doing it. However, if you don't want to lose at this within 2 seconds, you can decrease your leverage to 5x or maximum 10x. Again, we have the limit, market, and conditional order buttons, and you can track your total equity, balance, and unrealized profit and loss. Also, you can see the token details. The good thing about futures trade is that you can add additional cash to your current positions, but beware that this will slightly decrease your previous entry point and increase the liquidation probability. You can watch our futures trading tutorials to learn more about it. But what if you don't want to spend time on market analysis and want to copy other people's trading methods instead? Let's look at the copy trading. You can subscribe to any of these traders and copy their trades. Now let's continue with the earn and savings and staking. Crypto staking is locking up crypto holdings to obtain rewards or earn interest during a period. Staking allows investors to earn rewards on the cryptocurrencies that they own. You receive yields by committing your digital tokens to support the operation of the underlying blockchain. You are currently seeing the available staking options in the Phemex exchange. At the next of each option, you can see an estimated revenue rate and lock duration for each pool. You can purchase the one you want from the spot market and then click on this earn button. And let's say you want your tokens back. You can click on this button again and reclaim it. But be aware that if you try to redeem your coins before the due date, there will be penalties such as you won't receive any rewards and your tokens will be back in your spot wallet only after several days. For that reason, you can use the flexible option and redeem your rewards whenever. You can watch our decentralized exchange tutorials to learn how to stake crypto and provide liquidity. Now, let's continue with the launch pool. Launch pools are short-time high-profit events and each event has different requirements and revenue rates. For example, in this one, you must stake Volt tokens for 14 days to receive more Volt tokens. And in this one, you must stake WWY tokens and their revenue rate is different. These are first comes first served events and you must act fast to purchase and stake required tokens. Here we have the prediction markets option and you can bet on current events such as which party will elect after this year and earn rewards if you are right about it. Let's continue with the learn option. In this option you can learn various tutorials about crypto, blockchain, NFTs, trading and many more subjects. And by learning you can earn small amounts of crypto rewards after completing required tasks. And speaking of rewards, you can use this promotion option to benefit from various offers. For example, you can click on this welcome bonus and complete these tasks to earn $180. Also, by depositing USDT or Bitcoin, you can participate in the Deposit Dazzle event to earn up to $5,000 until next week. Last but not least, we have the Launchpad option. Launchpads are one of the most profitable ways to make money. Most launchpads require specific expectations like holding more than $500 in your wallet to participate in token sales. You can learn more about the launchpads on our pre-sales playlist. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with our latest videos and updates. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.